guys, this is how we set up our bike. So first we turn on the bike until you hear beep like that, and then we turn on our controls, and then flywheel on, and then it should be connecting. If you hear like something, that means that's trying to connect. That, if you hear that's connecting. If you hear that, that's the flywheel.
Don't press it yet till the flywheel 100%. You can hear it speeding up. Ooh, the battery is really low. Okay, we're just gonna use it for a little bit. Once it speeds up, you can hear the flywheel now. Almost there. Sounds like a turbine, right? Okay, what mode are you gonna go?
100.
100? Put it on wheelie mode.
On wheelie mode?
Yeah. How do you do the wheelie mode?
That's 2. That's 3.
Okay. So show the people how. What button are you pressing?
The B. To go down, it's B. To go up, it's A.
Okay.
So right now we're in wheelie mode. Hey, don't burn out.
No burnout. Yes. Oh my God, Georgie.
Yeah, that's wheelie mode.
Georgie, turn it down a little bit. Put it on 75. That's too much power for you. You don't know how to let go of the throttle. The throttle, the accelerator. That's a 75?
Yeah.
Oh, oh my God. Look at that. What's that?
Oh, that's a muffler.
You broke it already?
Connect it. How do we connect it? Yeah, you want to leave it like that or put the muffler on? How do we connect it?
Wow. Okay. You can just put it back. Let me put it back really quick.
Okay, guys, muffler's back on. Yeah, so now we're at 75.
75 on the power. That's not wheelie mode. Bring it back over here so we can see a wheelie. Put it on wheelie mode and do a wheelie. I want to see the wheelie. There it is. Oh my God. Once it gets traction on the concrete, it does a wheelie really good. On the grass, it's just spinning, not dirt. There's reading bashing on it right now.
No battery.
That's it. Yeah, it only had two dots on the battery. You used it last night too, so okay.
Now this is how we turn up our bike. Turn off flywheel for 30 seconds until it's fully normal.
You can hear it.
Oh. Oh.
broke that too. This guy has took a beating already.
You should take off his clothes.
No, for what?
Because
You actually have to replace it already. Look. All this gear is all messed up already. Okay, no. The plug was off.
now turn off the bike.
Turn off the bike and then the remote. Okay, that's it. So far, what do you think about this bike, the Promoto?
Yeah, it does come with stickers to like
Replace them?
yeah, this. So I think we can replace this.
Not yet. Not today, but
We can today, actually.
well, we're busy today.
Come on, let's do it right now. Please.
No, because we gotta scuff it up and clean it and no. So give us your overall
100%.
100% what?
100%. I like the bike.
You
10
like-
out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay, put it away.
10 out of 100.
Okay. Put it away and let's get to work. Gotta work on the hot rods.
Put it. Now we can. Guys, let us know what you want to see in the channel and comment down below what you want to see. And please like and subscribe and laters.